Project, we're going to get the truck washed, and then we're going to try out this Wizard ceramic detailer. I even got the Wizard rag for it. You're supposed to be able to just spray it on, you know, wipe it down, and it's supposed to seal and shine your vehicle. So we're going to give that a whirl. This morning is I'm getting the truck washed here, and then we're going to use a special kind of, I don't know if you'd call it a wax or ceramic coat. I'll show you more on that in a second, that Brian and Randy helped me pick out. So we're going to give the Wizard ceramic detailer a try here. One thing I was warned against by Randy was with some of these ceramic things, you got to make sure that your paint is all touched up. So if you got a scratch or a blemish somewhere and you use one of those real heavy duty ceramic coats that they advertise like on YouTube, is once you coat it, that blemish is there forever to an extent. So they both advised to try this. And from talking with the Wizard representative at the Iowa Car Show, he said you just give it a little spray, take your Wizard cloth, and then just wipe it down. He said it doesn't take very much. Use a nice soft rag, and I just got one of theirs. They're Wizard rags. And we'll wipe this down. Yeah, this is the first time I've done anything on this truck, so this is a good idea. Randy, they do it about once a month on their collector cars. They've got some really, really nice rods that they've done. So let's see if this goes a little bit faster than the old turtle wax back in the 1970s. So my final review of the Wizard ceramic detailer, as you can see, it did a nice job on the truck itself, and it didn't take long to apply. I tried to use some Dawn to get the bugs off the front grille, and I used just my little scrub brush along with that ceramic detailer, and that took the bugs off better than anything, much better than the Dawn did. So I think this looks nice. Nice job. We'll see how it sheds the water and snow and ice and that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm happy with it. And definitely you have to get one of those rags, the nice soft rags. I tried using a paper cloth on the front grille, just for the first time to clean it, and all it did was smear and leave a film. I used that soft rag on there, and it brought the shine right out. Let me know if you've done anything really exciting this summer. Leave that in the comment section. Have a great day.